as at the start of a venture, you will usually find yourself to be involved in many aspects, and this is really critical and important, as my experience being doing graphic and web designing Scrum Master have really helped me in a long way in educating my teammate on especially the importance of agile, which more than the methodology, I think agile is more about the mindset, and also my
Good day, guys. Good evening. Thank you very much to be with us once more on your YouTube channel, Afrik-innovscience, promoting science, technology, engineering, mathematics in Africa. Today, I have the honor to present to you guys Mr. Majesty Tsopmo, a Cameroonian living in the United States of America. Today, we are going to talk about very, very interesting things, projects in Cameroon and in Africa in the field of informatics, programming, technology, of course. Please stay tuned. See this video to the end because we are going to learn so many stuff. Thank you very much. Good day, good evening, Mr. Tsopmo. Thank you very much to be with us on Afrik-innovscience today. Please, can you present yourself like that for the people who don't know you? Who are you, Mr. Tsopmo?
Hello, Patrick. Thanks so much for the honor and invitation to your YouTube channel. So just a quick intro about me. My name is Majesty Tsopmo. I am a current data analyst at Amazon in the USA, more precisely in San Antonio, Texas, and I have a proven track record of using analytics tools such as Excel, SQL, Python, Tableau, QuickSight, ETL to design, visualize, and more importantly, present data in a digestible format for management to make informed business decisions. And right now, I'm also doing my master's degree in data analytics and machine learning. And yeah, I'm also the founder of ETECHYOU, which will be the main topic of this webinar with Patrick today.
Wonderful, thank you. You have been involved with ETECHYOU for quite some time. Could you tell us about the inspiration behind founding ETECHYOU and how it aims to impact the world of technology and education?
Yeah, sure. So some few years ago, I was with my mates in class. We were enjoying while having lectures, having good time together, and all of a sudden, gunshots from everywhere. And that day was the start of an even unrest in the Anglophone part of my native country, Cameroon. And from that, I saw so many people. As a matter of fact, I had one of my very smart girl that I knew that got raped. And as you all know, an idle mind is the devil workshop. Reason why, after brainstorming my friends, which are now my teammate and colleague in ETECHYOU, I decided to come out with ETECHYOU, which stands for Educational Technology for Youth. The first edition was in February 2022, and has really proposed ETECHYOU as one of the most influential non-profit tech organizations in Central Africa promoting youth entrepreneurship. And Fierce Entrepreneurs also gave us so many opportunities, and those that took part in the event, especially exposure to private Canadian investors, recognition from the United Nations Association of Cameroon, and various influential majors in Cameroon. And we also carried out the Miss Orphanage visit, the Helping Hands Orphanage visit, which was so amazing as we taught funds, IT, and entrepreneurship, and later on with the help of our partners, which I'm so happy. When I think of them, I think of Civil Salt, I think of the informatics, and so many of them. We donated computers and IT accessories to orphans for them to continue that journey, as we firmly believe that technology is a scalable medium, and that cannot be underestimated.
Exactly. In your journey with ETECHYOU, you have taken on diverse roles like Agile Coach, Scrum Master, and more. How have these roles shaped your perspective on leadership and teamwork within the organization?
So, so it is important to note that as the founder and CEO of a small non-profit tech startup, I find myself, and I'm sure most of people watching this video are either entrepreneurs or aspiring entrepreneur, and you definitely go through this as at the start of a venture, you will usually find yourself to be involved in many aspects, and this is really critical and important. As my experience being doing graphic and web designing, Scrum Master have really helped me in a long way in educating my teammate on especially the importance of agile, which more than the methodology, I think agile is more about the mindset. And also my expertise in graphic and web designing and digital marketing has been instrumental in helping ETECHYOU not only produce visually appealing content, but making the content to be kind of user-centric. And as we all know, simplicity is sometimes the most ultimate sophistication.
As both the founder and a team member of ETECHYOU, could you share a project where you have successfully combined your skills in areas like web development, digital marketing, and agile methodologies to drive positive outcomes?
Yeah, like for example, during the Furious Entrepreneurs project, I was mainly, I was working both on the back end, like building the website, building the forms for people, entrepreneurs to enroll, and also at the same time, I was also involved in doing the digital marketing, aspect. Yeah, with the help of my amazing team. And regarding agile methodologies, I learned it some months ago when I arrived in the USA, and learning agile was really kind of so amazing, like doing project in sprint and facilitating, the continuous iteration process, and also the fact that no matter how slow you go, the most important thing is for you not to stop. And yeah, and I will firmly recommend to each and everyone to implement, agile practices in your approach, and I think that will be really a stepping stone for ETECHYOU in the future ahead.
ETECHYOU's mission involves around making a significant impact through learning and technology. Can you highlight a project or initiative that you believe perfectly aligns with this mission and has made a tangible difference?
Yeah, so ETECHYOU mission is kind of crazy because it involves making entrepreneurship the new normal in Africa. Why did we choose that mission? It's because of the several societal ills that we saw, and like Nelson Mandela said, education is one of the most powerful weapon or instrument that can be used to change the world. And so, Patrick, you too, where you are currently in Germany, I'm sure you have noticed in life sometimes, like, sorry, but some people will say, there are many oppressions being committed against let's say the black people in one way or the other. And I firmly believe that, being someone that is educated, that is an entrepreneur, will be able to rise above those operations. And like, for example, when we look the Jews with all the operations that they got, but today they're so influential, and so that's why making entrepreneurship the new normal in Africa was in line with that. So, like, for example, it is good to cry when someone has slapped you, and that let's say, for example, the police will not do anything against it. But more importantly, is to understand, to learn from it, and to go bigger than that, to look for ways in which next time when that will happen, even if the police does not take action, how the community or influential leader will be able to take actions against a just act. So I firmly believe that doing that will not only help like Africans in general, but I believe that the mission can expand. And so far, all the project that ETECHYOU carried out was in line with that in one way or another. Like I mentioned, the Helping Hands project. I also mentioned about the Furious Entrepreneur project. And by the way, we also have webinars, a series of webinars that we launched last month in order to educate people about what someone called the new electricity, which is AI. Yeah, and I hope viewers of this show in your grandiose channel will join us, let's say this month end, in order to attend our webinars where we teach you what AI is all about, why AI is not the limitation in AI, and most importantly the opportunities of AI, and help you to use AI not only as a consumer but as a producer.
Wonderful. Thank you very much for this invitation for our subscribers to take part in this webinar. And of course, Afrik-innovscience is really honored and wishes to be part of the show. And why not? You could use also our platform to talk about all those stuffs. You just let us know. Everything will be organized to make it possible. Thank you again for your invitation.
Wow, perfect. Appreciate.
Beyond technology, you have emphasized emotional intelligence and leadership. How have these aspects influenced your work at ETECHYOU and contributed to building a strong team culture?
Yes, Patrick. I firmly believe that emotional intelligence and leadership is more than the technology. It is about the human connection. And also I think like my ultimate goal as a leader is to breed leaders that will be better than I. Reason why I constantly encourage my teammate to create new ventures, try something new, read books, listen to audiobooks and postcards, because Patrick, you know that in this 21st century, changing at a fast pace, that an educated people is not someone that can read nor write, but someone that can learn, unlearn, and relearn. And these are the crucial aspects I usually remind my team in order, to stay on top of the curve.
Wonderful. It's really important to have good leaders for tomorrow. Not just be a good leader today, but to teach our younger ones to be good leaders of tomorrow. Yeah. Wonderful. What can you say like that? The diaspora Africans living outside of Africa and who are not yet engaged in entrepreneurship in the field of technology. What can you tell them?
Yeah. So one of my humble advice will be to really take this seriously. Like I mean very, very seriously, because at the age of the printing press, for example, like at every cycle in the human evolution, there have always been technologies that have revolutionized, our society in one way or another. And I think especially AI right now is really something that I will encourage everyone to really pay deep attention at what is happening, as it is not just a fact, it is something that will be like something that can be infused in whatever you are doing, something that can augment your productivity no matter the area in which you are. So I will definitely encourage Africans and the Africans diaspora to really pay strong attention to that. Watch videos, attend seminar, continuous learning. I know some of you may be like, oh, Majesty, every day they're always do product it is kind of boring. Oh my god, I can't keep up every day, you know, and all of that. The field is so it's so fast changing, and I think I think it is what, you know, doing that and being in the top of the curve. And as someone said, AI won't replace your job, but people using AI will replace those that don't. So that would be my humble advice.
Thank you very much, Majesty, for your advice. Thank you very much. I guess people watching this video today have learned something and will be encouraged to start using and producing AI, not just using, but know how to create AI stuffs or objects and so on and so forth. Thank you again for your time, Majesty. We stay connected. Like discussed, Afrik-innovscience is open for any projects regarding webinars and sharing of knowledge. We stay connected. We stay.
Yeah, sure, Patrick. Yeah, I'm also so happy for seeing what InfoScience is doing, and yeah, we can always encourage it because we need more people like you in our community that we showcase, you know, and entrepreneurship talents and all of that. Yeah, and I hope maybe InfoScience and ETECHYOU will work, you know, partner on and work in bigger projects in the future. As yeah,
surely. Thank you again.
ETECHYOU is only trying to be legalized in the USA, and you know,
Wonderful.
in order to create a bigger impact.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Sure.
Thank you, guys. Please do not hesitate to share this video. First of all, comment, like. If you have any question to ask to Majesty, just ask in the comment section. Share this video and don't forget to subscribe if it's not yet the case. We stay connected for the next video. Goodbye.
Bye.
And stay healthy. Goodbye.
Yeah.